Hi, welcome to our home. Again, it's been about 5 years since we moved into this place, and the original home tour we did back in 2019 was what kickstarted this channel.
We thought now's a good time to revisit our humble space, so let us take you through a quick tour of what has changed and mostly what hasn't.
Enjoy.